sweet smile. Here's that's a sweet smile.
What a cute dog.
That was our secret mission last night.
Where your mom and daddy left and we stayed with you kids?
Reed, go see him.
See the puppy.
See the dog.
Go see your new dog.
It's your puppy. He's cold and he's a little bit scared. What's the matter? What's the matter?
Brewer, go see the puppy.
Come here, Brewer.
Come here, Brewer.
Oh, do you? That's a puppy. You're fun.
okay.
Here, look. Come here. Come here. Come touch his back. Come pet him.